Hey guys, my name is Flame Panda and welcome to another episode of VV Adventures. And it's a little bit different, as you can tell, because you can see my face, you can't see the code. And that is because I am first going to explain what I'm going to be doing. Because the last few episodes we've been working a lot on level 1. So today I'm going to show you. Today I'm just going to do a minigame instead, and it's a very simple minigame to understand. It's very hard to code, so this is going to be fun. I have here a deck of cards to show you how this is going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the computer to shuffle the cards. I can shuffle cards, as you can tell, very badly. I can shuffle them. So get them to shuffle cards. Then we see the first card in the list. Today it's a Queen of Clubs. Clubs really doesn't matter for this game. And it's a simple game of higher or lower. So Queen equivalent to a 12. So we're going to go, let's say, lower. And I'm going to carry on until I go wrong, because this is a fun game. So 12, I guess lower. It's 9. That is lower, therefore I'm correct. So is it going to be higher or lower? I'm going to guess lower. Queen. Okay, I was wrong. But you carry on until you go wrong. Ace is going to be a 1. Jack is going to be an 11. Queen is going to be 12. King is going to be 13. And that's the game. So let's code it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we are going to put it as a sub for minigame. Where's minigame gone? Where's the minigame sub gone? Story mode. Minigames. So we're not going to put it straight into minigames, because if it goes wrong, then if there's no going into it yet, and there's no going wrong quite yet. So we're going to call it, what should we call the game? High-low. Not hi-ho, high-low. High-low. Because that's basically what we're going to be doing. So, first of all, we need some cards. And we need a structure for cards. So, up here, under the player structure, we'll have some cards. And in the cards, we need a suit, I guess. I know we're not using it for this game, but if we decide to do other games with cards, then we may as well do it now. That's going to be string. And then card. Yeah, dim card as integer, because it's easier. And then we'll just change it for 1, 11, 12, and 13 to ace, jack, queen, and king. We could add jokers, but I don't think we need to. So, the cards. So, we are going to have a queue, which we haven't done yet. So, we're going to have a queue of cards. Queue. How do you spell queue? As, no, I don't want to call it queue. We want to call it deck. As queue of cards. That's what it is. Which equals a new queue, because it's a new queue of cards. There we go. So we're also going to have a shuffle. I'm trying to think whether or not to do this as a function. Yeah, if we do other card games again, we might want it. So why am I putting in story mode? I don't want it in story mode. In minigames. Here we go. Hello. Q. I keep doing this. Check as Q of cards, because that's what it is. Which equals new Q of cards. We're also going to have a shuffle function, which we'll put up here. Function shuffle. So, which we're going to take in a deck for. So, because Q, and then I'm gonna deck. What I haven't been doing is passing these correctly. So by ref or by vowel? So ref specifies that an argument is passed in such a way that the called can change the underlying value of the argument in the calling code. By vowel specifies that an argument is passed in such a way that the called procedure or property cannot change the underlying. So we want by vowel. Deck as Q of cards. It needs to be in another bracket. So, first thing we're going to do is put all the cards in the deck. So, we need to in Q. We need to create card in Q it. So, for x equals 1 to 13. No, 1 to 4. For x equals 1 to 13, because there's 13 cards in a suit. For x equals 1 to 13, then we need a temporary one temp and temp as card. It's been a while since I've done this, you can tell. Cards. I realised I wasn't actually timing, so I had to go and get my timer just to make sure I don't go on for too long, because I know I can do that. So for x equals 1 to 13, temp dot soup equals we'll start off with, I'm trying to think of suits now, hang on, spades, because that's spades is the second, no, third even, clubs, that's the first one, clubs, and temp dot card equals x. Then we're gonna put it into the queue. So x dot queue deck dot in queue Sorry, I had a mental block then. In Q, it is such a weird word to spell. Deck.inQ temp. I am not awake today, am I? So it'll keep doing that for each one. So for all 13 cards. And then next for x equals 1 to 13. Basically the same thing, but with diamonds. Temp dot card equals x dot inQ. I realise I don't need the suit, but I'm gonna do them anyway because it's fun. For x equals 1 to 13, temp dot suit equals heart. No, hearts is the fourth one. Spade. I have an order for the suits. If you can't tell, I play too many card games. Temp dot card equals x. Deck dot inQ. Spell it correctly. Temp. Temp just means that it's a temporary thing for me. So it's temporary variable. For x equals 1 to 13, temp dot suit equals this fourth one, so hearts. Temp dot card equals x, and then we inQ it. Deck dot inQ. Yes. Temp. Okay, so that's them done. So now we're going to hand it over to the function we just made up here called shuffle. Equals shuffle. What am I doing? I don't need to speak more fast. Shuffle. Equals shuffle. I'm going to send it the deck. What do you mean? What do you mean shuffle is not declared? Shuffle is this function up here. Hang on. Wait 1 second, I'm just trying to figure out what's wrong here. Because I've done things like this before where it goes to different modules. Function is another subroutine. Has a type of subroutine. So what is wrong? Setup, that's actually, is that a function? Is that a function? No. Just realised I haven't actually done any passing variables yet. Shuffle is not declared. Deck. It's a queue of cards. Yes, deck is a queue of cards. What is wrong with that? Alt plus enter. Shuffle, that's what I wanted to do. Generate method, generate property. It's already a function. That explains it. I had one extra F up here. So that's what went wrong. Note to self, next time I do passing variables and subroutines, make sure to spell the subroutine correctly. So what we're going to do here is L, we're going to have dim length as integer, which equal, dim length as integer, so length is going to equal the length of shuffle. Is that how you do it? Returns an integer containing either the number of characters in a string or the nominal number of bytes required to store a variable, or just the amount of things in shuffle, which is apparently not assigned yet. Sorry, why am I putting shuffle? I mean deck. I know what I'm doing, honest. Length of deck. So for the length for x equals 1. Is it 1? No, for x equals 0 to length minus 1. I know what I'm doing. For x equals 0, length minus 1. We're going to have a random function. So we're going to have a random number. So I've got to know how to do random functions. Random equals rand. Hang on, let me remember how to do this. Is it recording again now? Yep, okay. There. Okay, so a quick look up, I've forgotten. So it is bracket the range of values, which for this time is length minus x plus the minimum value, which will be 0. So there's a range of length. So for the first one, the range of length. No, I want the first value to be 1. Yes. Length 1. Yeah. I'm trying to figure this out as I go, as you can tell. My first time trying to shuffle cards on a computer. So I'm going to get random thing. And for I is another letter of the alphabet, obviously, equals 0 for x equals 1 to random. For I equals 1 to random, length yes, spec dot inq So we're going to put another card into the back of the deck. And that is going to be deck.peak, which is the card at the front of the deck. And then we're going to deck.EQ, the card at the front of the deck, so we don't have two of it. Q. And then we're going to have a new one. If I save that as deck 1, and we're going to save that as deck 2. We need what deck 2 is. Deck 2 as queue of cards, which equals a new queue, because we haven't had this one yet. It's not from another thing. Of cards. There we go. And then we need to change that to deck 1. That's deck 1. That's deck 1. That's deck 1. Then I'm going to save that. So we're going to have deck 2 as deck2.inqueue. I'm not awake today, am I? Queue. I'm going to enqueue deck 1.peak. Then we're going to do deck 1.EQ. And that should work for the whole deck. So it then returns deck 2, and check it works. I'm going to have a deck 2, console for, there should be 52 cards for x equals 1 to 52. Console dot write line deck dot peak deck dot EQ, because we're not going to carry on after this. Well, we're going to get rid of this, so just to check that it's shuffled, we're going to do it like this. So start. Oh, hang on. Don't start. Don't start. Don't start. There. I need to put in the minigame section. Go to high-low. So we'll wait for it to load, then we'll do that. Goodbye. Okay, high-low. So it goes to high-low. Go. What's wrong? Input string has not in a correct format. Okay, continue. Oh, I see. So if we get rid of level 1 for now. There's no level 1. Go! I want to go to minigames, which is number 2. That should give me the length. Hang on. So, length. Hang on. Phoebe card. No, Phoebe Q length Q class. Q examples. Marks. Okay, in Q, DQ, peak. Construct Q, Q collection. Properties, count. Q.count, that's it. So if we split, so length equals one.count. Helps if we get the right thing. Okay, it doesn't need brackets. Start. Come on. Okay. 2. I have a feeling that this is not a suit. Peak dot suit ampersand deck dot peak dot what was it? Card. Now will it work? It's going to be a long video, I'm sorry. 2. Okay. I'm going to quickly sort through this deck of cards and check that we have all of them. They are very well shuffled, as you can tell. Clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. Clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. Clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. Clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. Club. Diamonds, clubs instead of clubs, diamonds. That suggests that I need to do a few layers of shuffling. But with a quick look, actually, I think that all the cards are there, which is good. So I'm going to do a quick check over that for next episode. And then next episode we'll carry on with this game. And thank you all for watching. Oh, one more thing. Because with, at the moment with level 1, there's a lot of console.writeLine, console.readLine, console.clear. So I'm going to possibly be doing that out of episode. All these console dots out of episode. I will have to do 1 or 2 if statements like this. So this one will be, do I have a choice in this? So I'll need a, stop running the code then. I'll need a dim choice as integer, choice, sorry, yeah, console.readLine, choice equals console.readLine, and then it's very similar to the one we did for the minigame, where is it? Up here. No. Let's set up this one here. If choice equals 1, it goes to asking her, and if choice equals 2, you let her in. So that's pretty much all we have time for. Just as a quick reminder, this was our structure on defining what a card is. We also have done a little bit of going wrong with the story mode, apparently. What else have we done? Oh yeah, this is the sub-level that we've just done. We've also created a new game. Well, half of a new game. We've just shuffled the cards so far, and very badly. and this is just a function to shuffle cards. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be cards. It can be other things that can be shuffled, but that's all that it is. So, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!